In this video, we will talk about which is better, cooked versus raw vegetables, so you can make food that gives you the most nutritional value for health, wellness, and longevity. Hi, this is Alla Shapira from Spa Rana channel, where I share with you my experience with health, wellness, and beauty. It turns out that both cooked and raw vegetables are good for you, but you need to know which vegetables should be cooked and which should stay raw, and this is what I will tell you next. If you're finding the value in this video, please give me a thumb up. It will make a huge difference in promoting my channel. Make sure to stick around to the end, and I will share a recipe for my favorite soup that is super delicious and full of vitamins and minerals and is good for you. 1. Some nutrients can't stand the heat or light or oxygen. Vitamin C appears to be the nutrient most vulnerable to cooking temperature. About 30% of vitamin C in leafy greens is destroyed by cooking. Other nutrients degraded by heat are folate and other B vitamins. In contrast, minerals and fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, and E are more stable during cooking. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, kale, bok choy, and cabbage contain valuable nutrients called glucosinolates. These reconverted to cancer-fighting particles when the plant cells are broken up by chopping or chewing. Unfortunately, heat deactivates the enzyme that drives this conversion, but there is an easy way to get ITC from cooked cruciferous. Chop or blend the veggies before cooking, or you can add some extra chopped raw cruciferous to the cooked. This will also allow the preservation of cancer-fighting properties in cruciferous veggies after cooking. 2. Carotenoids become more accessible when vegetables are cooked. Raw carrots have natural sweetness and deliver a satisfying crunch, and fresh tomatoes are tasty in salads. But to get maximum nutritional benefit, bring on the heat too. Carotenoids such as alpha-carotene, beta-carotene, and lycopene are not only heat-stable but actually more absorbable once foods are cooked. Of course, carrots, tomatoes, and other carotenoid-rich food contain more nutrients than only carotenoids, so a combination of raw and cooked is ideal. 3. Adding healthy fats aids carotenoid absorption from raw vegetables. Though I do not recommend adding oils to salads, it is important to use some nuts and seeds with the vegetable-based meals, either eaten separately or as a key ingredients in the salad dressing or sauce. It's not only carotenoid, using nuts or seeds enhance absorption of other phytochemicals too. 4. What about frozen vegetables and fruit? Frozen foods leave some people cold. They associate them with lackluster taste and low quality, but there is a good news. Yes, the blanching step of the freezing process means frozen produce has lower levels of vitamin C and niacin than fresh, but because frozen vegetables are picked fresh and frozen soon after, a large proportion of the nutrients are preserved. Compare this with fresh produce. It loses some nutrients during storage, and produce that has been shipped a long time or distance will likely have less nutritional value than the same produce bought locally. And once the food is frozen, nutrient losses due to storage slow down substantially. For frozen fruits, there is minimal loss of polyphenol antioxidants such as flavonoids because fruits are not blanched before they are frozen. 5. Soups retain nutrients. Soups are satisfying. They are also a great way to cook fresh and frozen vegetables and retain more nutrients. While some nutrients are not destroyed by heat, they can still be lost in the cooking water if you're boiling or steaming your vegetables. That's why making a big pot of soup is an excellent way to cook your vegetables. Just make sure they are not overcooked. The bottom line, a good general guideline to maximize nutrient quantity and variety is to eat a large variety of raw and gently cooked vegetables. Large daily salads plus vegetable bean soups or stews or vegetables cooked in a wok with water steamed for only a few minutes or baked at a low temperature. And like I promised in the beginning, here's the recipe for my favorite soup. You can find the recipe in the description to this video. This soup is a carrot soup. I love it. We didn't have white wine, so we used red wine. That's why the color is off a little in this soup, but it's very delicious. It's great. It has so many vitamins, and I just love to eat it, and we cook it a lot. If you enjoyed this video, you will enjoy my other videos on healthy eating, and you will find them here.